Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. Art means drawing and painting something. Art means drawing and painting something. Art also means making beautiful things or making something beautiful. Art also means making beautiful things or making something beautiful. Examples of these beautiful things are cup, basket, and clothes. Examples of these beautiful things are cup, basket, and clothes. Some of them are used in the home. Some of them are used in the home. Examples are hand fans, mats, and jugs. Examples are hand fans, mats, and jugs. What are the works of art? The works of art include number 1, painting, number 2, sculpture, number 3, textile, number 4, ceramic, and number 5, graphic. The works of art include number 1, painting, number 2, sculpture, number 3, textile, number 4, ceramic, and number 5, graphic. Now, branches of art. What are the branches of art? Number 1, painting. Painting is the art of coloring. It is applying color to an object. Painting is the art of coloring. It is applying color to an object. Number 2, sculpture. Sculpture is the art of making beautiful using wood. Sculpture is the art of making beautiful things using wood, clay, metal, stone, and so on. Examples are baskets, chairs, tables, pots, and images. Examples are baskets, chairs, tables, pots, and images. Number 3, textile. Textile is the art of making and designing of clothes. We use flowers and plants to make beautiful patterns on clothes. I repeat again. Number 3, textile. Textile is the art of making and designing of clothes. We use flowers and plants to make beautiful patterns on clothes. Number 4, ceramic. Ceramic is also called pottery. It is the art of making with clay. We mold plates, teacups, saucer, and pots from clay. I come again. Number 4, ceramics. Ceramics is also called pottery. It is the art of making with clay. We mold plates, teacups, saucer, and pots from clay. And the last one, number 5. Number 5, graphic. Graphic is the art of drawing and designing of an object on the paper in a computer. Examples are birthday card or calendar. Graphics, number 5 again. Graphic is the art of drawing and designing of an object on the paper or in a computer. Examples are birthday card or calendar. That is all we can do today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.